Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter M. The Dutch M is pronounced as M, similar to the English M in mother. Listen carefully. Say it with me. M. Now, repeat after me. M. Once more. M. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. M. Now a little faster. M. And once more at normal speed. M. A common mistake is pronouncing M too weakly or confusing it with N. Make sure to pronounce M with a clear nasal sound. One more time. M. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. M. Now, a little faster. M. Finally, at normal speed. M. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.